I decided to call you a big whale.
Oh, I see. You're upset because you think I kicked Manny out of his house. For your information, Manny is not going anywhere. I don't know how he manages to do it, but he makes me fall into one of his traps every single time. But mark my words, this will be the last time for that. Do you hear me? I will not fall for anything again.
Are you a carpenter?
No.
So then why are you pretending to be a carpenter?
Because I need to cut this board, okay?
Okay, but don't you cut your fingers when you're sawing.
What do you think I am, an amateur or something? I've cut more wood than a lumberjack on payday. It figures it was you, Chavo. I should give you another one, but you're lucky. My thumb needs a Band-Aid.
Hey, Chavo. What's that? It belongs to Mr. Mayman. It's his carpenter tools.
How about if you and I play carpenter?
Yeah, I'll be a carpenter and I'll use a hammer and nails and then I'll saw and I'll see what I saw, then I'll saw some more, then I'll see what I saw again, and once I saw it, I'll saw it. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Okay.
Me too. Count me in. I have no idea what you're talking about, but whatever it is, I'm in charge.
You can play, but only under one condition, though.
Huh?
You have to go in your house and bring a chair so we can fixate it.
Okie dokie. I'll go get it. Don't start without me.
Oh boy, this'll be fun, Chavo. But one thing, aren't we gonna need some glue to fix the seat?
What seat?
The seat you sit on.
Do you mean behind?
Is your seat behind?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure.
Well, I don't see it.
You mean it's gone?
Hey guys, check this out. Well, what do you think? Will this one work out for you, Chavo?
Yeah, that's great. Now put the legs over here. Okay?
Right. Here we go. The other one too? No, I get it. You want me to fall.
The legs of the chair, you dummy.
Oh, of course. I knew that. I was just testing you.
Okay then. Let's get to carpentering. Lift it up.
Okay. It's ready, Chavo. You can let her rip.
Hold on tight, okay?
Right. Real tight. I can't even feel my hand.
Oh, hey, wait, Chavo. Chavo, after you're done, you're gonna need some glue to stick on the new legs.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Kiko, what's your mom using her hair?
My mommy does not use glue in her hair. I'm telling on you. Mommy!
It's all your fault, Chavo. I hurt my thumb because of you again, and Huh? What do you guys think you're doing here, playing with this stuff? All right, look. I should just...
Oh, what's happening here?
Mommy, he just told me that your hair is full of glue.
Really? I am so tired of you disrespecting me.
But wait, but...
Come along, Muffin. Let's get away from this lowlife.
Yes, Mommy. Low life! Low life!
You want to know something, Chavo? I've decided. There's not enough room in this world for the two of us.
Why not? Neither of us is as big as Junior.
Huh?
I'm very serious, Chavo. What I mean is that you and I cannot live in the same neighborhood any longer. That means either you go or I go.
One of us really has to go?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Huh?
Should I call you a taxi?
Okay, you want to tell me who gave you permission to play with my tools? You irresponsible little brats! Don't you know this stuff is dangerous? Go on, get out of here! I can't believe you.
One more thing. Now that I think of it, isn't this chair mine?
Yes, Mommy, it is your chair.
Ugh, I can't believe it. How dare you do this? Professor Garibaldi.
Oh, Mrs. Worthmore.
What a nice surprise to see you here.
I came to bring you this small but heartfelt gift. What's with the chair?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
May I? Is it yours?
Oh, you're so kind.
Very pretty.
Oh, and I didn't have time.
So elegant, too.
Oh, please say no more.
This amount of damage brings out the age. Yeah, from the looks, I'd say 100.
What?
Dented and cracked. You know, you should hire someone to do some cosmetic repairs on them. It might be worth your while.
Huh? Oh, you were talking about the chair, I see.
Yes. What's wrong?
No, it's nothing at all.
Now, if you want me to, I suppose I could fix up the chair for you.
Would you really?
Yes, well, I do know a bit of carpentry.
Oh, Professor Girafaldi, I think you're the most incomparable man I've ever met.
Why, thank you. Really. I feel the same way. I amaze myself sometimes. Of course, I'll need tools to smooth the wood. Oh, Kiko, do you know where I can find a plane?
Yes.
Can you bring it to me?
No.
What do you mean by no, Muffin?
Well, Mommy, if you asked me to bring him a mountain, I might be able to do that with a couple of days and a shovel, but a plane is a whole lot bigger than that.
I meant a plane that smooths wood.
You said plane like a jumbo jet.
That's because it's the same word, Kiko.
That's what I said, it's the same word. Oh, look, Mr. Raymond's saw is over there. Maybe you can just use that instead.
Hold on a minute. Just to prove to you that I'm not exactly the selfish type. If you really want to borrow my saw to fix the chair, then go ahead. It's all yours.
Oh, no, you are the one who broke the chair, so then you will be the one to fix it as well. Would you like to come in for a cup of coffee, Professor Girafaldi?
If it's not too much trouble.
Oh, no trouble at all. Please go inside.
Well, after you then.
Thank you. You're so kind.
And make sure you fix the chair like it was brand new. Slightly used. Really used? Like something from a junkyard? Like firewood? I got nothing.
Mrs. Worthmore wants to know if you're done fixing her chair yet.
Look, I'm not that fast, you know.
Yes, I can see that. You're still making the quick epoxy.
I never had chicken pox.
Is that soup ready yet?
No, Chavo, this is not to be eaten.
You can't eat it? So what is it?
Stick 'em.
What?
I'm preparing to stick 'em up.
Who are you gonna steal from, Professor?
No, Chavo, this glue is meant for Raymond.
Glue?
This substance will stick one item to another.
What are you gonna glue Mr. Maimon to?
No, Chavo. Raymond is fixing the chair for Mrs. Worthmore because, don't you remember, he broke the legs.
You mean her legs are broken?
No, not her legs.
He broke his own?
No, his legs are fine. If that creature even has legs.
Yeah, he has too. They are kind of skinny. And if the light is right, you can actually see them.
I meant the legs on the chair.
Oh,
What's going on?
Professor Girafaldi just told me you broke your legs on a chair.
No. What I was trying to tell you in the first place was that he was...
Listen, Chavo, why don't you go over and play in the other yard, okay?
Okay.
Watch out for the glue.
What?
You were about to run into the glue.
I think you mean stick 'em up.
What?
Stick 'em up.
Listen, Chavo, you want some money? How about I give you 50 cents?
Yeah, what do I gotta do?
You gotta stir, bud. From the bottom.
Okay. Hey, Kiko.
What is it, Chavo?
Mr. Maimon is giving 50 cents to anyone who stirs from the bottom. Just did it.
Well, then I can easily do it too.
And don't go running off telling your mommy about this.
What's the matter, Kiko?
Go jump up a rock.
I heard that! I heard that! See, now I have to hit you!
I'm warning you, Kiko's my friend. And before you hit him, you'll have to hit me first. Okay, you can hit him now.
Thank you very much, Chavo.
Ow, big bully! You take advantage of him because you know he's stupid. I'm gonna get a big broom and I'm gonna break it over your head. Watch.
Oh yeah, I'm so scared. If you hit me with a broom, I'll hit you with this hammer, look!
Oh yeah, try it. If you hit Chavo with the hammer, then I'll hit you with the,
What are you gonna do? You're gonna hit me with that? Let's see, I double dog dare you. Don't make faces. Tell me, I'm waiting. Oh no, jeepers! You grabbed a hold of the hot tub, Kiko.
Now what's happening?
Nothing, except Kiko's burning up.
No, I can't believe this.
I warned you, Junior.
Oh no, Chavo! Look what you've done now.
Mommy!
Now what's happening?
Mommy! He's burning me!
When are you ever going to learn? Tell me that.
Oh, but Mrs. Woodmore, are you...
It's always the same with him. No matter how changes, I don't get it.
Yes, well, I think you
should be
handled it
locked away
quite well,
forever.
actually.
Wait, I can explain this really.
Sit down.
Oh, you are such
Now,
a
you have to
disgrace to our
understand that-
community.
It's just not...